guys. For today's video is we're going to in the farm of Rosemary Green
and Kuya Randy to give
house and
a
farm.
Solicitation letter para sa among uniform sa volleyball. Naasi ko ano yung kasi mo na to. Mga dumi ila Ate Rose o Kuya Randy kay monolisit. Ikaw para makita ka. Pag-hi mo. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
Ma. Ilo, ma. Ilo.
Oh.
Bako.
Kauban ako akong mga friend nga mga single mom. To my viewers, kinsay single diha kay
Hi to the single dad.
hi to the single dad. Kana ko nung foreigner nga single. This one is single. And kantupod. Ow! All of this is single. Ako lang yung ada naman sila pag adlaw pero say sinoy buboy are matog. Gabi it's a little bit dark na guys. It's already 5:30 na.
Yeah.
5:30 PM. Te pag-hi te basig na single nga foreigner.
Hi. Hi to all the single dad out there.
Host available to my viewers.
Available to.
Naami single mom dire available. All of this, all single. Ready to jumingle. Introduce yourself sa Ate Madel. Introduce yourself.
Hi guys. I am Madeline Habin Pitilia.
Ay! Sunod.
I am single. Single mom.
Willing to?
Ay, magsaba.
Willing to unsa te?
Willing to mingle.
Ay, may content na ko. Sige, pardago. Unsa pag-English sa ayo? Anybody's here? Huh?
So, hi guys.
Unsa te? Unsa English sa ayo?
Ha? Ayo.
Unsa gini English mo?
Bungkog ka na lang.
Uy. Nabatian dyan atong tingog na tiros layo pa.
Unsa ko ni English?
Guys, murag Tagaytay.
Tugnotin no. Why ilimuot dere sa. Is slowly. Slowly. Dili man na mama-acting. Hi Trumps. Hello. Rusty and Elsa. Hello.
Wow. Ang ganda ng hanging plants niya.
So beautiful.
Come here.
Nag-video eh. Hi te. Good evening.
Come here.
Good evening to all. Uy.
Good evening, Sir Randy. Oh, she's the OFW. She's the OFW that we talked from Juan. Asa ka dahil sa Dubai.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hi kuya. Good evening. Hi.
Nice to meet you, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine.
This is Angie. And this is Catherine.
Hello, sir.
OFW also.
The one that I told you that always buy pigs for the mama. Surprise birthday. This is my sister Mariface Koan batch. So they're friends. Ano, apil ang kati. Women over there.
I guess.
Wa may bantay daw gipagda.
All these people.
Who's it
All
down?
these women is the word.
Yeah, you have a lot of women on the pie.
Hi, Bliss. Bliss, Uncle Randy, Bliss.
Oh.
Bliss, get off your cap. Take off your cap.
Yes.
Okay.
Sila mangunsa.
Butan na sila, ti.
Pagdagi ro, di ba di nalungan og di ma.
Oh, may gani kay wa mo hidang iro.
Bawal iro diri. Bata lang. Oh, guys, we have available women here.
Mao lagi hindi ako kay.
Yes.
Ako gani sila gi.
How many of your women are available?
There's 3. There's single mom.
This one also is available. Oh my goodness, ano pa, you have a lot of women.
Alright, Justine got.
Nagkuhan sila, play sila og cheese.
So
Yeah.
it's like, that's okay.
For sure, Kuan.
Well,
They are
Solicitation letter, where is the...
they were my teams for volleyball, but I'm not active with volleyball these days, so they come here for Kuan. A little support
Yeah.
for uniform. This is single, guys. Catherine.
Ay, magdari.
Yes. She also joined the team. I cannot join the team for now, so.
So, na lang.
Ilang months na din?
Jeff Haynes. Huh?
7, 8. 8 na.
You realize you're live on YouTube, right?
Yeah.
Ay, nag-live ka, te?
Ha?
Nag-live ka?
Oh.
Ah.
Nag-live kami kasi yan yung buhay namin kada gabi eh. And that's our
Pagguan ka.
Yes.
Paggabi ka mag-live.
So choose na ni Pai. Which woman do you like? Rose. I'm not. For our volleyball.
What's this? Solicitation
Is that English?
for volleyball?
Yeah, English.
Ah, okay.
What?
We have to give that to our manager.
Good.
I'm not a manager. I'm not a manager.
You're the manager.
Starting on November 16th. Well,
How many
that's
wins
already,
did you
that's
get?
already passed.
They already
Yeah.
played. They already played, Han. How many won? How many winners?
Yeah, how many
Two?
to win?
Yeah,
Maybe tomorrow may duwa mi.
Tomorrow they have a game. Okay.
Karon na duwa pilo.
Have fun, guys.
Kagulian. Kapatid dila lang yung ginalayo pa.
Oh. Banana sila, Angie.
Unsa man? Dito na ka. Sit
How
down.
is this going to make them physically and mentally fit?
By
How is that
exercising.
going to happen?
It's a good exercise. Volleyball is a nice.
Even a leg is to uphold the value of sportsmanship and
Dito na utang sa radio mo.
Takes
of our barangay.
takes them away from drinking. Takes them away from
Well, I can't
drinking.
invest in that.
Dito utang awang kuan pagtanaw sa cheese nag-play sila ko diyan.
You know. What do we have here?
Unsa dito yun nimo?
Just because people can just make their own solicitation letter.
So your name is Angeline, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I just know you by Angel. Roslyn,
Roselyn is
Jennifer.
is not here. She's still at work.
Oh yeah.
Aisa is also at work still. Ang Aisa dahil pala, parang kauli, no?
Who's Madeline?
She,
You're Madeline.
she's the one that's single as well, single mom. She's also a single mom, Catherine.
Who's Catherine?
She, very beautiful.
Yeah,
beautiful
I've gotten
one.
in a row so far.
Yeah.
Let's see. Annalisa. Who's
Si
Annalisa? Huh?
wife of Noel.
Ate Anna.
Oh, well, I don't see her.
Huh? She's busy.
I don't see her here.
She's busy. Ano, may duwa ka?
Delia? Who's Delia?
Not here.
Not here also.
She's not here either?
Yeah.
Wait.
Also busy.
Who's Lane?
Here.
Yeah, I got them all in a
She's
row.
also a single mom.
Oh, yeah?
Lot of single mom.
They're beautiful ladies, guys. Look at Filipina, even if they already have children. They don't go fat.
Yeah.
Yeah. Demadil, how many kids do you have? Five grown-up kids.
Yeah, I have 5.
5 grown-up
five
kids.
kids?
The youngest
Ooh.
is like
You're busy.
6. Yeah. She was busy before. And Catherine has 4 kids. 2 kaday, no? 2 lagi, but all grown-ups as well. It's like,
Who's Melanie? She's not here
she's
either?
not here also.
Oh, yeah? How about Rosalind?
She have 4 kids. All grown-ups as well. Very beautiful children.
Jennifer.
She's still at work. In Naval, Aisa.
Oh, who are you? You never ran yet.
Just back up.
Oh, she's back. Are you single?
No.
Oh.
But all of this one is not single also. Angie is not single.
Yeah. So. Yeah.
Jeff Haynes, hello. Time here is Koan. What time is it here? 5:38 p.m.
Yeah.
Jeff Haynes says Koan. Hello. Hey.
Hello.
Hi. Hi to everyone.
Hi. Hello.
So you're videotaping too?
Yeah. No.
Uh,
She stopped it.
Ay, sa video?
Nadyan mo ebidensyang nanulisit mo.
she stopped the video?
Yeah, she posted.
No, ganun pa na.
Well, how are you supposed to get any
Oh yeah,
videos?
it's on hand.
Oh, naka-on.
It's on pala.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it's running.
It's not
Yeah.
red.
Free
Yeah.
content.
They're recording.
Hindi na mag-isip-isip. Sunod na
We are
daw.
soliciting. But we don't have chairs over here.
Yeah,
So,
not this many.
oh, okay.
So where are you going to go?
Nothing.
To
okay.
chit and chat?
It's okay. We don't have some... Uy, may banana pala. Oh, kain kayo. Kain. You give banana. Give the banana.
See,
Is I'm not allowed. Allowed.
Naagagay na, busog pa.
Oh, diba? Oh.
What did you say?
Ooh.
What can you say?
What can you say?
Thank
Thank you,
you.
mom. Thank you.
Or salami, or whatever it
Nagko
is.
no.
Thank you, salamat.
Binigay na po rin
Kami
ako.
na maghati-hati. Binigay na po na ni Kuan. Anoy.
Uy, asa ang guard one?
Nag-video po siya dito. Hi.
Haman ang trash ka. Biinga rin kaya ito yung labot sa trash ka.
Dita ka. Kuan, ano dita ka likay. Kaya mo tayo ebidensya.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We are getting more. Sana all. Wala na sa box.
Sana all.
Asa man ang tabi?
Nagpasa sa ako ase. Ay sa upuan. Kung di na siya ganahan kung abutan ra diri o ganahan ni.
Kailangan na
Hey, is that my banana?
Yes. No longer your banana.
Trump's gonna steal it.
No longer your banana.
Trump's gonna steal it.
Itaas kayo.
So who's the leader of the pack here?
She's not here.
She's not here.
Oh, so
The leader is still working.
the leader of the pack. So I have nobody to give the pesos to then.
The assistant.
Huh?
Either.
Oo, sa atin.
She's the assistant.
Yeah,
I'm not sure I can trust her. Here you go.
Wow, thank you.
So they are soliciting for their uniforms. Babies everywhere.
Itaas ba?
I'll have to fly to Philippines and take your friend in the blue out to dinner. Sure.
No, win.
She's who's this?
Itaas.
Jeff. She's
And
really
you're single?
single ka di ba dahil?
Oh, yeah.
She's
Big
single.
out?
She's
Nag-isip ka na
I think you're single. You have 5 kids.
She's...
Because we separated already. My husband.
Hindi ka naman kasal, no? Ay, kang Uloy?
Ulo. Saan na?
Uloy. Uloy.
12 years already.
Yeah. She's Jeff, both of them are single mom. And both of them are available. Available ka, Day? Hindi na siya available.
Yes,
Available. Madeline is certainly available. When are you gonna coming, Jeff? Gary XYZ. That was my thoughts also. Harem. Randy has a harem. What's harem?
Harem. That's where like emperors and stuff. They have like hundreds of women available to them.
I might
so much of
too
this.
old. No, you're not old. 61. Honey Pie is 66. Jeff.
Yeah, I'm an old part. How old are you?
40.
40?
She's 40. She's around my age.
She's younger than
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's an OFW worker. She has to go back to Dubai
You do?
next year,
Oh yeah.
January.
Yeah.
You'll spend
No,
it
but
with
maybe after fiesta.
May? So long time, ha? Pero sugutin mo ko,
No, dili man ko kumuha.
Ah.
Nag-stop naman ko sa ina.
Nyalain ka na po. I will apply for another agency. So,
So what? You're working in Dubai?
Yeah.
yeah.
A lot of people work in Dubai.
Because it's a good good
Yeah, it's an
salary.
open country.
It's an open country. Ikaw, Day, asa ka nga country?
Same also.
Dubai?
It's Muslim
they're
though,
both
isn't
in
it?
Dubai.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I thought Muslims don't let women drive and stuff like
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
do they?
Yeah, most of women there are driving.
No driving.
No drive.
Yeah.
But they are working, they know.
Yeah.
Some are working. Good.
And you're not single?
She is single.
Oh, you are
Single
single.
mom as well, yeah.
Ah.
And the other one as well, Ate Roslyn.
And what's your name again?
Catherine.
Catherine. And how old are you, Catherine?
38.
Oh,
38.
38 or 30?
38.
Oh, I
38.
only heard 30.
She only have 2 sons, which is
All right.
high school na din, no?
Elementary in high school.
Big ones na, so they're working abroad to support their kids. This one here,
And
Ate
the
Roslyn.
other single one, you're single too?
How old are you, Tay?
How old are you?
Ning 50 na
How old are
ka,
you?
Oh, 45.
45 only, very
Oh, yeah,
young.
she's still
So
young.
Jeff, we have 45 years old, Jeff.
Let's see,
She's very
45, 55,
Ano ka rin, Tay? Iba mo na, iba mo islain.
Bigyan na kaya ako mahalin.
She's very shy. Oh my God.
That's your baby, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Angeline's baby. See, we have a lot of viewers. We have a lot of women. Oy, guys, I'm serious. They are single moms. If anyone wants to connect. She have a YouTube channel as well.
Yeah.
But she's
So does Angie.
Yeah, but I created her channel before. I have her
Oh,
create
you
a channel.
she created a channel for you?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
You have to order some review. Oh, sige. So you can connect with them. They're all beautiful guys. Look at that. See? Filipina doesn't take too much just to smile. We always smile. Even
How many people are watching?
21.
21.
Wow, yeah. 21
It got more
watching.
popular after we got off the chest.
You're in trouble now, Jeff. Around friends. Who's this? Ben Pradhan. Babies everywhere.
Yeah. Welcome to the Philippines.
Tarzan! Around my age, and they are living in the same community as me have. And they were my...
Angie, you're only like, what, 23?
Yeah. Do not introduce Angie because you will have a machete. Right away. Yeah. The husband will bring you a machete, so Angie is not available. Like and subscribe, guys. Ron Prince, we are approaching 10,000 subscribers. Watching from Bakerfield, California. Tarzan, are you looking for a girlfriend? Gabriel in Philippines. Hello, everyone. Hello na.
Ano nun sa mga Pilipina, no?
Oh, naman. Because Filipina can speak English and we are a happy people.
That's the advantage the Philippines has over a lot of Southeast Asia. Like in Thailand and stuff, they don't speak English. So, you know. And if you're a guy, you know, looking to be with a woman, if you can't talk, it gets, after a while, it's like, not so good. You know, so. Hey, I think I won by default.
The opponent is done. Ron Prince and Tarzan, no, my Filipina been in USA 10 years. So that's good. Gabriel in Philippines. Where are you in Philippines, Gabriel? Yeah, Red Horse Stallion. Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers, guys.
Yeah.
Asin sa atin, asin mo na siya ito.
Sabi. Yang ilog agang kuan is kaon siya ng
All these single women over here.
Yeah. Ikaw po si kuan banana.
What's your camera doing there?
It's okay. It sleeps, but it's still taking a video.
Oh, it goes to sleep.
Yeah.
Kind of like you.
What?
Well, you go to sleep all the time too.
Why go to sleep kaya ang tired? Mag-booking man uta ko niya inuungat.
Ano ba taligsi?
Mau gani. Hindi, bugta nga lamig pa pa iligid.
Okay, kauban din ito eh.
Wala.
Bukod sa iya.
So how many
Ah,
people
you're
are,
in General Santos.
that's up in Mindanao, right?
My 33-year-old son married his Filipina last month in USA. Wow. That's good.
How many people are watching now?
15.
It's dropping down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ron Prince is our moderator
Sagutan
and
din ako, di ba?
member. Ha?
Mas isagutan din.
Ikaw, Day, nasaan kang balik? Ah.
Manayaw sa biday.
Abita? Sa Pasko na may Pasko. Barangay Night.
Barangay Night.
How many children do you have?
I have 2 boys.
2 boys. How old are they?
The eldest is 15. The youngest is 11.
11? 11, 15.
Yeah.
And how old are you again?
38.
38?
38.
Di alata, no?
Yeah. In America, a 38 woman will already look like 50. Ano sila mag-mature.
Oh, yeah. They'll,
Di ba?
they'll look older than that.
American woman matured. Bisan gani mga 20, yung ilang mura na 20-year-old, mura na 40, mura na
Oh, yeah. You know. And most of them are overweight.
Yeah.
Overweight.
Oversized.
They eat too much.
Yeah.
Or-
Ang samante.
Saman. Gabi na, oh. It's getting dark, guys.
So when you go back to Dubai, how long are you going to be there for?
I don't know, sir. Because maybe we can spend another time.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe,
What do you mean?
maybe
Sabi nila Hong Kong is much better.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hong Kong, that's part of China, isn't it?
Yeah, same. But
Hindi mo
the
cellphone ka ng
expenses
video
in Hong Kong before you go and handle.
Tara na.
They pay more in Hong Kong, but before you get there, you have to take care of your expenses.
What do you mean?
when you apply in an agency, they will not shoulder any of the expenses you have to pay for your own expenses when you apply, because there's a lot of things you have to pay.
What do you have to
You
pay?
put up money. You give
Like you are paying them just to get a contract.
yes.
You have to pay the agency
Yeah.
to get a contract?
Yes,
Oh, that's backwards.
I
Should
know.
be the other way around.
So the other agency that send OFW in Dubai
Tana, tana.
cover the expenses, but they deduct it in your salary.
But the other no.
Yeah, in Hong Kong you have to provide everything.
Oo, tara.
Diba?
Dili. Naglagot.
Wow.
Ginuan. Dili pwede kay maulit na ta. No. Tara na, tara na.
Bye-bye.
Uy, dago na. Thank you so much.
Yeah, my house full of women.
Don't spend it all in one place.
We're going home. Thank you. Thank you, Te.
Am I gonna see a video of this?
Yeah.
I think she will upload that.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Subscribe to her channel. What's your channel name again?
The Filipina Mountain Life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Day. Uy, ngit-ngit na mo.
Filipina
Namin
Mountain
flashlight.
The Filipina Mountain Life.
The Filipino Mountain Life. You
Tinggamay
guys,
jud
you
ka.
guys have to go and check it out.
Oo.
Tara na, ta.
Salamat.
Thank you. Bye. Tara na.
Be safe.
Tara na, di na pwede mag-cellphone.